Hey everyone, it's Tati here. Welcome back to the channel. Today's video, I'll be showing you all how I style my new chocolate brown lace frontal wig from Asteria hair. Yes, today I'm an Asteria girl. The tea on Asteria, she always brought me quality. So I'm a rolled and dyed about it, okay? So I started off with a flesh tone wig cap. I used my Ebon New York medium brown lace tint spray, and I also used Got2b glue to install this unit. So of course, just pop it on your head, and I do love this elastic band. I do not let it get too far out of my sight, out of my reach, because it helps lay that lace, and it's going to make it look like scalp. Now, time for the scary part, but the very necessary part, okay? You can't skip the hot combing stage. This makes your wig look super flat at the top, and I like to do a few passes through without any wax stick or without any hairspray first. I like to part it, like get all up in there, you know, just to make sure that it's laying as flat as possible. And then you want to go in with a little bit of hairspray just to tame those flyaways. And then I like to go in with the wax stick after. Alright, so now time for the fun part. I am going to be doing some light layers, and I love to start, I love shaping my hair and making it come to life. Now, the hair does need some TLC because I have been rocking this hair for almost like 2 to 3 months. So, yeah, it's definitely been being worn. It's one of my favorite colors to wear on myself, and, you know, sometimes I'll be wanting a break from my black units, so I love to bring this one out. I did go in and darken the top half of this unit because I had bleached the knots and I felt like I over bleached it, so I just dipped this hair, the top part of this hair, in some, I want to say, like dark brown Revlon hair dye, and I felt like it added that element to the hair that it was missing, like a light ombre effect. Nothing too crazy, but if you do see that the top does look a little bit darker, that's why. So I love using my Hot Tools curling irons to get these really beautiful bouncy curls. So I'm gonna let you guys vibe out for the rest of the video, but just know A1 quality from Asteria always. But I will leave all of their information in the description box below if you guys are interested. Thank you guys so much for watching, and don't forget to thumbs up, comment, subscribe, and turn on your post notification bell so you're notified when I upload another video. I love you guys. I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye, y'all.